Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a shortcut to copy URLs in Chrome. This handy feature will save you time by giving you quick access to copy any web page link with just one click. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This menu is where you can access all of Chrome's main settings and customization features. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can customize how your browser looks and behaves. The settings page is organized into different sections to make it easier to find what you're looking for. You'll see several categories listed along the left side of your screen. Now, on the left side of the settings page, locate and click on Appearance. This section controls all the visual elements of your Chrome browser, including themes, fonts, and toolbar customization. It's where you can really make Chrome work the way you want it to. Once you're in the Appearance section, you'll see various options for personalizing your browsing experience. Next, click on Customize your toolbar. This option is specifically designed to let you add or remove shortcuts from your Chrome toolbar, giving you quick access to the features you use most often. When you click this option, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing all the available toolbar shortcuts. This is where you can toggle different features on and off depending on what you need. On the right side panel that appears, scroll down until you find Copy Link. This is the shortcut we're looking for, and it's specifically designed to make copying URLs faster and more convenient. You might need to scroll through several options before you find it, as Chrome offers quite a few toolbar customization choices. Take your time looking through the list. Once you locate Copy Link, you'll see a toggle button right beside it. Click this toggle button to turn the feature on. The toggle will switch from gray to blue, indicating that the Copy Link shortcut is now active and will appear in your toolbar. This simple action adds the functionality you need without any complicated setup. Now, look at the top right of your Chrome window on your toolbar, right next to the address bar. You should now see the Copy Link icon displayed there. Whenever you want to copy a web page URL, you can simply click this icon instead of manually selecting and copying the address from the URL bar. This makes sharing links much faster and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully added the Copy Link shortcut to your Chrome toolbar, making it easier to share and copy web page URLs with just one click. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.